Hi, Brian Mahon here, founder of Igloo Insurance, where we offer transparent risk advice to business owners and families. Today, we're talking about everything you need to know about brewery, winery, and distillery insurance. It's a unique blend of coverage designed for craft beverage makers. Let's jump right into it. So what is craft beverage insurance? Whether you're running a tasting room, a production facility, a vineyard, these businesses face unique risks. That's why carriers like Erie Insurance, Utica, Cincinnati, they offer specialized programs for breweries, wineries, distilleries. These policies typically combine property liability and industry-specific endorsements to keep your operations running smoothly. So what are the top exposures for these beverage makers? Some of the biggest risks are fire or equipment breakdown that halts your production lines, contaminated inventory or spoiled batches, right? What do you do if an entire vat of your, prized cherry wine or something is spoiled? Of course, slip and fall injuries. A lot of these facilities do tours for guests or just slips and falls from employees, right? Workers' comp. There's obviously liquor liability. A lot of these beverages, some of the IPAs and stronger spirits have high alcohol content, and serving those to patrons can cause issues. There's also cyber threats and data breaches, right? Virtually all of these breweries and distilleries have websites, they have social media, they use QuickBooks, they have inventory tracking systems. They rely on technology to run their business. So there could be a loss of income from a digital shutdown or a loss of income from a physical shutdown. Maybe a storm or something ruins your production facility. There's also theft or employee dishonesty. There might be a lot of cash going around in some of these tap rooms, right? So be mindful of that. So what are the key coverages to look for if you're running a brewery or distillery? First and foremost, you want to consider property insurance, right? You may own a building or rent a building. Obviously, you have a ton of production equipment and inventory, bottles, merchandise, maybe things are refrigerated or frozen. You want to make sure all of that is covered, both to replace those items, but also to cover your income while you may be shut down from not having access to those. Of course, general liability, any landlord will require you to have that. Covers you if you get sued for causing injuries or a bodily injury or property damage to vendors or customers. Liquor liability for alcohol-related incidents. That's something that Erie Insurance in Cincinnati do really well. Instead of having to, go out and get a standalone liquor liability policy, they can typically bundle it in, which is great. Product withdrawal or product recall coverage, right? If there's a contaminated batch, trying to notify everybody, remake that, and maybe even bring the spoiled batches back to dispose of properly. That is an expensive endeavor. Hopefully you never have to deal with. There's insurance for that. Loss of income, equipment breakdown, cyber liability, employee theft. Basically, all those exposures we just talked about can all be insured within a commercial package or standalone policies. So who are the best carriers in Pennsylvania if you're operating a winery or a craft brewery or distillery? Erie Insurance, with their custom collection program, is specifically built for breweries, wineries, and distilleries. It includes tailored endorsements, risk control services, fast claims support. They really pride themselves on being local and just a high quality of service. Philadelphia Insurance Company is another one known for kind of hospitality and food service packages. Cincinnati Insurance as well. They offer kind of flexible commercial packages for craft producers. So Igloo Insurance, we help you compare these options and find the best fit for your operation. So whether you're brewing beer, bottling wine, or distilling spirits, your business deserves protection as refined as your product. So if you want help reviewing your policy or building a custom insurance package or just evaluating what you currently have in place, reach out to us here at Igloo Insurance. At time of recording this video, we're licensed in Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, and Ohio. We're here to make risk simple. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.